Moje ime je Javi.
Pivo, the basic.
I can say pivo, which means beer.
Po poklicu. But I don't know why it's like.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good.
Zdravo, moje ime je Klen Kunstek, danes se živo javljamo iz Štuka. Tu imamo eno celo gručo Erasmusov, ki so danes prišli glih v Slovenijo, da preživijo svojo Erasmus izkušnjo v Mariboru. Ful jim ponujemo projektov, zato smo danes organizirali en welcome party v sklopu Welcome Weeksov. To vse skupaj traja 2 tedna. Tu bojo spoznali Maribor, tu imajo vsi domačini priložnost, da spoznajo študente, ki bojo vsaj en semester preživeli v Mariboru. Tako da lahko jih boste še srečali po vseh klubih, ampak danes se glavna stvar dogaja tu glih na Štuku. Kaj še naj rečem, Erasmus boste videli vse povsod, sploh lahko sodelujete na kakih projektih, ki pripravljajo. Se da pogovarjali z Erasmusi, zakaj so se odločili ravno za izmenjavo v Mariboru in to, da srečajo nove ljudi. Vsi imate to priložnost, ki še niste izkoristili, da greste na izmenjavo kjerkoli v Evropo. Obstaja 400 sekcij, kamor lahko zaidete. Spoznali boste full folka, spoznali boste mogoče svoje poslovne partnerje. To je bilo danes moč slišati na univerzi, na sprejemu, kjer je govoril tudi direktor, je sam to omenil. Zgodile so se mnoge ljubezni, ko so ljudje odhajali na Erasmus, tako da izkoristite to, dajte priložnost ESN Spiritu, da vas prevzame, da greste na izmenjavo. Evo. On water, I got power, feel so royal. 1 second, I'ma strike for you. Diamond, platinum, no more for you. That adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. That glow, that spark, that crown. You're looking at the king of the jungle now. Stronger than ever.
Jose Antonio, I'm from Spain, from the south, in Jaén, living. I'm studying mechanical engineering in this faculty. This is my last year. I decided to come here to Slovenia because, first of all, I wanted to try the Erasmus because all my friends have been in Erasmus and all of them spent a really great time just meeting new people, new culture, and I decided to, okay, why not? I have to try also. And I decided to Slovenia because there weren't not so much options that I could choose. Only France, Germany, England. I arrived in September. I have to say that this is my last week here in Mariboru. Just this week I have to return, unfortunately, to Spain, but for me it was a great experience and I recommend to everybody just to come here and enjoy with Slovenian people.
Gotta love the life that we live in. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
My name is Ezgi. I'm coming from Turkey, Istanbul. I'm studying business administration. I prefer Maribor because it's really different city from Istanbul. It's really quiet and peaceful. And this is my second day and I really enjoy it. I have really nice friends. Yeah, it's okay. It's really beautiful. It's really peaceful. I like here, yeah.
And why did you decide for Erasmus?
I decided for Erasmus to get to know different people from different countries, to learn different cultures, like that, yeah.
What do you prefer, studying or partying?
Little studying, more partying, maybe, yeah. It's like that. Okay, okay, thank you.
Yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before.